Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. Today I am super excited. I just received the DK, the Botanist Sticker Anthology. I am so delighted about this book. DK actually contacted me about a month or so ago, and they offered me an early release. And so, since I was so happy to receive it, I cannot wait to share it for you. However, if you would like to pre-order, I'm going to list the information below, and you can do so. Otherwise, this book is coming out November 3rd. So, let's take a look. This hardback book is in forest green with these beautiful flowers. And there is the Botanist Sticker Anthology. Get lost in the beauty of the natural world in this captivating collection of botanical stickers. This is just gorgeous. Let's go ahead and take a little look. I'm going to show you, to begin with, a lot of these pages start off where they'll just show everything like desert. There's the rainforest, aquatic. Another thing that this book does is in between each sticker page, they use this beautiful green. So each sticker is in a semi-gloss, which is nice. And then when you peel it, which is so easy to peel, it looks like that. And then you have the green separating each page. Another thing that this book has that I want to show you before we do the flip through is they have these type pages. So what's nice about these pages, you'll see a few throughout the book. They're usually in an oval or a square. This is an oval. It's a gigantic sticker. Oh, the possibilities with this gigantic sticker. And oh, look at these colors. Are they not fabulous? This one's an oval as well. So, what do you say? I'm going to put some music on, and you can relax as I show you each page of the Botanist Sticker Anthology. there we have it. This book is so beautiful. It's so bookshelf worthy, meaning it's not ephemera that you put in the drawer. You actually want to display this Botanist sticker anthology. It's gorgeous. I hope you liked it as much as I did. And again, if you want to pre-order it, check the link below. And I want to thank you for joining Sugar Hiccups, and we will see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.